YiChin started as a grassroots organization in 2017 when we noticed that there was a lack of technology training in schools due to the restrictions on educators and the limited funding for equipment. We felt it was really critical to a student's success that they receive access to design skills in order to be competitive in a higher paying job market. I'm Jana Lynn Peppel, Executive Director of New Tech Now. I'm responsible for developing unique curriculum that incorporates science, technology, engineering, entrepreneurship, art, and math in creative, fun activities. We've been fully operational for the past 5 years, partnering with teachers and after-school providers throughout Florida. We've taught over 500 students and trained more than 250 educators on how to design for a 3D printer, coding, graphic design, and web development. New Tech Now has been impacting the community in many ways, whether it's empowering students with high-level skills, supporting teachers in the classroom, or partnering with after-school providers to deliver engaging activities that encourage extended learning. Our new mobile makerspace allows us to reach rural communities and students that may have difficulties traveling. We're able to offer classes on emerging technologies where each student has access to an iPad or laptop, 3D design software, the internet, and fun activities that lead to exploration and problem solving.
There's unicorns! I know where. There's an actual train on.